Hello dear students, how are you today? I am Mohammad Fazlur Rahman, Senior English Teacher, Milestone School and College. You are not coming to school due to the outbreak of coronavirus. Your school is closed. But Milestone is always beside you. Milestone is trying to help you in many ways. Milestone teacher are taking video class to help you so that you can cover up your class. As a part of video class, today I am going to teach you English first paper for class 7. Today's lecture number is 18. Today I'll teach you reading passage. Model question number 6. Follow the class. Unseen comprehension. Okay. From that comprehension, I'll teach you information transfer and true false. Okay. For that, you have to read a passage. From that passage, you'll have to follow the class. You have to find out the answer and you have to complete the fill in the blanks and true false. Okay. Today we'll read about Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim. You know this man in the screen? He is Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim. So today you will learn the passage about him. Okay. Okay. It is written here. Read the passage carefully and answer the question 3A and B. So if you read this passage and after reading this passage, you will have to complete two questions. Questions number 3A and B. Okay, read the passage. Okay, what is the passage? You see, the passage is National Professor Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim, physician, teacher, organizer, was born in Murshidabad. So where did he born? Murshidabad, India, on 31st December 1911. He spent major part of his life in the government health services in 12 different key positions after getting the MBBS degree in 1938. So he earned MBBS degree in 1938. So I have underlined the key points for your better understanding. He received MRCP in 1949. He was made FCCP in 1950. He founded the Diabetic Association in Dhaka in 1956. He also founded his branches in Karachi and Lahore, West Pakistan in 1964. Continue. Okay. He established Bardem. You know Bardem? Bardem is a hospital which is situated in Dhaka at Shahabad in front of Dhaka University. Bardem, Bangladesh Institute of Research and Rehabilitation in Diabetes, Endocrine and Metabolic Disorders in 1980. So you need to remember which year Bardem established. It was established 1980. In recognition of his contribution in the health and social sectors, Muhammad Ibrahim received numerous prizes. Numerous means a lot of prizes, many prizes, medals and honors from different organizations. Some of such awards are Independence Day Gold Medal in 1979, Mahbub Ali Khan Memorial Trust in 1985, Khan Bahadur Hassana Memorial Trust in 1989. He passed away on 6 September in 1989. So this great man died in 1989. So you need to remember this point because this, from this point you will have to answer the question. Next, you go. I have given here some important meanings, word meanings, so that you can understand. Physician, doctor, organization, one who organizes, established, set up, founded, recognition, acknowledge, numerous, many, a lot of, branch, subdivision, wing, section, pass away, die, expire. Some abbreviation you see MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, MRCP, Fellow of the Royal College of Physicians, FCCP, Fellow of the College of Sage Physician. Okay, you need to you need to understand these meanings and abbreviation. Then it will be easy for you to find out the answer. Okay, next complete the following table with information given in the passage. So you have read the passage, you have learned the passage. From that passage, you have to find out the answer, the fill in the blanks. Okay, this is called information table. This is 5 blanks will be in the exam, and you have to answer them. For that, you will get 5 marks. Okay. So now you see column A and column B. Column A is filled up for you. Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim passed MBBS when he was he was born in 1911 and he died in 1989. So if you subtract 1989 to 1911, so it's coming how many years? You have to answer this. I have written answer for you. It is 27 years. Okay, 27 years. So he was made FCCP at the age of whose age? You have to calculate it. Okay. In the passage you see, he was made FCCP in 1950 and he was born in 1911. So if you subtract 1911 from 1950, then what coming? It's coming 39. So at the age of 39, I have written the answer for you. At the age of 39, he was made FCCP. Okay. Then Diabetic Association Pakistan has 2 branches in. So what were the 2 branches in the passage? You can see 2 branches were in Karachi and Lahore. So your answer will be Karachi and Lahore. I have written here Karachi and Lahore. Okay. Next, Bardem was founded in. So from the passage you have to find when Bardem was founded. There is written Bardem was founded in 1980. So you have to write here 1980. Next, at the time of death, his age was he was born in 1911 and he died in 1989. So if you subtract from 1989 to 1911, what comes? It is coming 78 years. So when he died, he was 78 years. So like this way you have to answer. You remember that this fill in the blanks, this box, you need not to make in the exam hall, because if you write only the answer like this way, like this page, okay, by giving answer to the question number 3A, then we put A, B, C, D, E, and you put the answer. That's enough for you. You need not to copy this box. Clear, student? Okay. If you do not clear, you can ring me anytime. You know my number. Okay. Next. Okay. This passage also can be in different way. Okay. Complete the passage or table given in the passage. Okay. There you got only 2 columns like this, 1, 2. But here you see there are more than 2 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So if the passage is, if the table is like that, how will you complete? Okay. Who or what? You have to write who or what here. You know who indicates person, what or what things, event or activity. Okay, it's work, where it happened, and time, which time it happened. So who in this column there is a gap. Number 1, so was born Murshidabad, India, 1911. So who was born in 1911? you know, Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim. So answer will be Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim. I have written the answer for you. You see, Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim. Again, you go, second gap is in this column. You have to find out the time. He received MBBS degree dash. So there is blank, so you have to time. So MBBS degree, which year he received MBBS degree? So you have to write that one in the passage. If you go through the passage, you can see here MBBS degree in 1938. In the passage there is written 1938. So you have to write there 1938. I have written the answer for you, 1938. Next, he set up association, diabetic association, where gap is in the place where. So where he established or where he set up diabetic association. I have told before that is in 1956. It was in Dhaka. So you write in Dhaka, then answer will be correct. I have written answer for you, Dhaka. Okay. Barden dash, where dash in 1980. So event or activity. What was happened here? You have to write here. So Barden was founded, or you can write was set up in 1980. So I have written answer for you, was founded. So here will be was founded. He died. In the blank is time. He died. So which year or when he died? He died in 1989. So answer will be 1989. I have written here 1989 for you. Okay. Remember, you need not to copy this box. You need not to draw this box. You, during the exam time, in your answer script, what will you write? You will write only like this page. Answer to the question number 3A. So give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blank, and you write the 5 answer. So you need not to draw the box. Remember it. Okay. Okay. From the same passage, question number 3B, you have some true false. Write, you see the question B, write whether the statements are true or false. If false, you have to give the correct answer. For each answer, you will get 1 mark. Okay. Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim was born at the finishing day in 1911. Is it true or false? Yes, you are correct. This is true. Finishing day. How did you understand? Finishing day means finishing day of any year is 31st December. So we know, we have seen in the passage that Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim was born in 31st December in 1911. So the answer is true. If true, you just write true. You need not to write anything else. Just give the A and write true. Next, he spent minor part of his life in the government health service. But in the passage, what have you learned? You have learned he spent major part of his life. So this is false. So you have to write false. Give B and write false. If it is false, then you have to write like this, a correct answer. He spent a major part of his life in government health services. Good. Okay. He was not the founder of Diabetic Association in Dhaka. Okay. But you have learned in the passage, he was the founder of Diabetic Association Dhaka. So that is false. That is also false. So your answer will be false. So I have written the answer for you, false. Correct answer will be he was the founder of Diabetic Association in Dhaka. Okay, next. Bardem was established in 1980. Yes, in the passage, if you go through the passage, you will find that Bardem was founded in 1980. Here you see the answer, 1980. So answer is correct. If it is correct, then it's true. You just write the answer. True. I have written for you, answer true. Okay. Last one. he received the award Mahmud Ali Khan Memorial Trust in 1979. Did he got any prize? Mahmud Ali Khan Memorial Trust? No, it was not Mahmud Ali Khan. So correct answer will be false. So correct answer will be he received the award Mahbub Ali Khan Memorial Trust in 1985. So like this way. So this full sentence you need not to write during the exam. So how will you write answer? Just like this way, answer to the question number 3B, and like this way, if it is true, write only true. If it is false, give false and write the correct answer. If you do not write the correct answer, what will happen? You will not get the full marks. Okay, if it is 1 marks, you will get half for that if you do not write the correct answer. So like this way, you have to answer. Okay. Do you have any question? If you have any question, you can ring me. My mobile number is 01712575989. So again, I repeat for you. So my mobile number is 01712575989. So if you have anything more to know, you can ring me in this number. Okay. Thank you very much for enjoying my class. I am just giving you homework. Today homework is learn and write the given word meaning and exercise 3AB from model question 6. You can follow Navadut book. You will get this passage in page number 310. Okay. You will do your homework. You will study. Staying at home. You know the corona problem is everywhere. So if you go outside, it can be problem for you, for your family, for the society. So you must not go outside. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you all for watching my video class. I am Mohammad Fazlur Rahman, Senior English Teacher, Milestone College, Sector 14 branch. Thank you very much.